Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on Parsec. First, you'll need to download and install the Parsec application on your computer. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Once installed, create a free Parsec account and log in. A stable internet connection is crucial for a seamless experience, ideally with at least 10 megabits per second upload speed. Finally, connect your preferred game controller to your computer before launching anything. Now, let's get Cuphead ready for your friends. Launch Cuphead on your host computer first. Then, open the Parsec application and go to the Computers tab. You'll see your computer listed there. Select it and click the Share button to start hosting your game. You can also fine-tune host settings, such as setting the resolution to 1092 by 1080 pixels and allocating 20 megabits per second for bandwidth, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Once you're hosting, it's time to invite your friends to join the fun. Share your unique Parsec invite link with them. They'll simply click the link, and if they have Parsec installed and are logged in, they can join your hosted session. Remind them to have a stable internet connection and their game controllers ready. Parsec handles controller mapping automatically, making it easy for up to 4 players to jump into Cuphead's challenging co-op action. To ensure the best possible Cuphead experience on Parsec, here are a few tips. Close any unnecessary background applications on both the host and client computers to free up resources. A wired Ethernet connection is always preferable over Wi-Fi for reduced latency. You can also adjust Parsec's client settings, like setting the decoder to hardware for lower input lag. Finally, confirm both systems meet Cuphead's minimum requirements for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.